Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to save report settings as profiles in pCon.basket. Especially when working with recurring document types, such as quotes, article overviews, or product comparisons, you often need to reapply the same settings. The structure of the article list, visibility of long texts or prices, different logos, footers, attachments, and many more details. This takes time and increases the risk of errors or inconsistencies. With saved profiles, you have all these settings ready to use at any time. Create them once for your pCon.login account, and reuse them on any device with a single click. Quickly, consistently, and reliably. You can now find out how this works by looking at a few use cases. Here you see a fully configured quote for the London region, a cover page, the appropriate header logo, the terms and conditions as an attachment, and customized view options for the article list. To save this setup as a profile, click the Save icon at the top. Afterwards, give the profile a concise name. For example, Superior Interior Quote London. Optionally, you can set it as the default profile for new projects. Saved profiles are especially useful when you regularly work with different regions, customers, or document variants. Here you can see a project from the Liverpool region. If you have already created a profile for this, you can easily select it using the arrow icon next to the Save button. A single click on the desired profile is enough, and all form settings are instantly applied to the current document. Important: all profiles are stored in your pCon.login user account. This means you can use them at any workstation and on any device, completely independent of the local setup. Profiles are also extremely useful for comparison documents. In the example, product comparison briefly, prices, variant texts, and child articles are hidden, while article images are set to large, ideal for short, visual comparisons. In the product comparison detailed profile, all options remain visible, giving viewers a complete overview of all relevant article data. Perfect for extensive, data-rich comparisons. Profiles also streamline management overviews. With just 2 clicks, you can switch between a compact, strategic summary and a detailed, in-depth view. This allows you to adapt the information level effortlessly, depending on your audience and context. Each profile offers several options. You can set or remove it as the default, rename it, which is useful when requirements change, or delete it when it's no longer needed. This keeps your library of profiles tidy and helps you manage your form settings efficiently. If you ever need to adjust the settings for a profile, simply click on the Save icon after making your changes. You can then save it as a new profile or select which existing profile should be overwritten from the menu. By using saved form settings in pCon.basket, you not only work faster but also much more efficiently. You save time, create consistent, CI-compliant documents, and always have your profiles readily available thanks to pCon.login. This feature is available in all editions of pCon.basket. Give it a try. And if you'd like to explore more features, feel free to watch our video on inserting PDF attachments directly into your offer. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.